California's mansion tax. The reality check your real estate agent won't give you. Look, if you own high-end real estate in Los Angeles, or you're thinking about buying property over $5 million, we need to talk. California just dropped another tax bomb on wealthy property owners, and most people have no idea what's coming. What they're not telling you, Lay's Measure ULA, they call it the mansion tax, but it hits way more than mansions. Slaps a 4% transfer tax on any property sale over $5 million. Sell for over $10 million? That jumps to 5.5%. This isn't replacing anything. It's on top of everything else you're already paying. Here's the kicker. It doesn't matter what you originally paid for the property. Bought your house for $2 million 20 years ago and it's worth $6 million now? You're paying that 4% on the full $6 million sale price. It's a straight wealth grab. The real market impact, I'm seeing this firsthand with my clients. Sellers are either jacking up their asking prices to cover the tax, or they're just pulling properties off the market entirely. Buyers are getting spooked by the added complexity and cost uncertainty. The luxury market in LA has basically frozen up. Transactions that used to close in 30-45 days are taking months because everyone's trying to figure out workarounds. Some sellers are doing installment sales. Others are exploring 1031 exchanges, and plenty are just deciding to hold on to properties they would have otherwise sold. This won't stay in LA. Don't think this is just an LA problem. San Francisco is already eyeing similar measures. When California needs revenue, and they always need revenue, they look at where the money is. High-value real estate is an easy target because wealthy property owners can't exactly pick up and move their land to Nevada. The 2024 wild card. Here's what most people don't know. There's a ballot measure this year called the Taxpayer Protection Act that could kill this mansion tax. If it passes, any local tax adopted after January 2022 would need a 2/3 majority to stay in effect. The mansion tax only passed with 55% support, nowhere near 2/3. Newsom and the legislature are fighting this hard, claiming it's unconstitutional. But the uncertainty alone is wreaking havoc on deal planning. Nobody wants to be caught holding a $7 million property if the rules change overnight. What this means for your planning. If you're sitting on appreciated real estate, the window for tax-efficient moves is shrinking fast. We're looking at strategies like completing sales before any expansion of these taxes, structuring transactions as installment sales to spread the tax hit, using 1031 exchanges where possible, considering charitable remainder trusts for philanthropically minded clients. The bottom line? California's tax environment for wealthy property owners isn't getting better. This mansion tax is just the beginning. Other states are watching to see if they can pull off similar cash grabs. My practice emphasizes estate planning and wealth management for California clients, and I'm telling everyone the same thing. If you've been thinking about making moves with high-value real estate, stop thinking and start planning. The tax landscape is shifting under our feet, and waiting to see what happens isn't a strategy. The uncomfortable truth: California has made it clear. They view wealthy property owners as ATMs. Whether it's through mansion taxes, potential wealth taxes, or whatever comes next, the state needs revenue, and they know where to find it. Don't let politicians and real estate agents tell you this is no big deal. A 5.5% tax on a multi-million-dollar transaction is real money, and it's changing how deals get done. If you own valuable California real estate, you need a plan that accounts for this new reality. Because one thing's certain, they're not done yet.